are in the Philippines.
Hello everyone, welcome to Indonesia. In this video, I would like to share about one of the next destination for your holidays. When you feel so stressed with your activities, please take a break of it. Let your body feel the air of happiness. Take about one day off and get out from Jakarta. Going to Sepa Island of Kepulauan Seribu, Thousand Island, Jakarta, Indonesia is the best choice for your weekend. Sepa Island or Pulau Sepa is one of many islands in Kepulauan Seribu, placed in North Jakarta, Indonesia. Sepa Island has a blue beach with a broken white sand that makes Sepa Island become one of the favorite islands of the where to go choice. Why I can say like that? Wait, are you kidding me? This island has a great view for your photo shoot, several names of local food, and the best view of the one who love to snorkeling. Sepa Island has a great view of land and also perfect view for its underwater. Then other island in Kepulauan Seribu, Sepa Island presents several names of beautiful corals. If you know this fact, you can only find more than 75% of world corals type in Indonesia. And about 20 type of corals can be found in Sepa Island. So, that's why people love to come here. If you want to visit this island, you only pay about 9 USD, around 130,000 per person for rent the ships. It is so cheaper for people who want to travel with a low budget. My friends and I come here to take a break of city life for a while. And we literally took a more time for snorkeling. You can also rent the tools that you need for snorkeling from the beachman that's standing near the beach. And remember, you can rent it with a low price, only 2 USD. What a good deal for your budget. In this video, I want to share more about underwater life in Sepa Island. About the corals, fish, and other things that stay under the sea of Sepa Island. This island, also called as Coral Island of Thousand Island in Jakarta, Indonesia. Coral Islands is an island that has a several name of corals that living under the sea. The corals grow up with a beautiful color and shape. I really love the view and smell of the fresh water. The water of this sea is so natural and far from the contamination. That is why coral can grow and stay for a long time. The local government of Jakarta takes a serious time to maintain this island for its tourism project. As you know, Jakarta is a crowded city that never sleeps and never stops to grow up. And having Thousand Island means more for that. Having many corals in these islands means that you invite more people to visit your place. And you can make more investment for the growth of the city. That's a reason why local government focus to promote the Thousand Island. In Sepa Island, not only several names of corals that you can meet, but also the several names of unique fish that living in the corals. Sepa Island also presents a many coconut tree, so you can drink your own coconut fresh water by request to the beach mat. let's take a break of your busy activities. Visit these islands when you are in Jakarta, because not only shopping that you can do in Jakarta, you can also burn your energy and feel the fresh air of thousand islands. One of them is Sepa Island. Let's visit Indonesia.